Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to change the quantity here on Vistaprint. All right. So for example, you wanted to buy a business card. Okay. Just click on business cards and maybe try a template right here. Maybe this one. As you can see here in the right pane, you'll be able to change the quantity like so. All right. Just select the quantity. Now you go ahead and browse designs. Okay. Now, for example, you already have a project and you selected the wrong quantity. For example, right here, you have selected maybe 100 and you wanted 150. So just click on edit. The only thing that you need to do here is just buy it. Okay. Maybe this one. Continue right here. Final steps. There you go. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on this drop down right here. Change it to 50 if you want to. Okay. And once done, just select the paper stock like so. Corners, finish, add to cart. That is it. That's how you change quantity here on Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.